YouTube. It's your boy HP Tactical Don. I'm just here to do a little review on my Polish Hellpup and whatnot. So y'all look up it real quick. Yep. Let me clear this. Yep. We clear. Yep. Let me just start with the butt to the tip of it. So the butt, we do have the SB Tactical AK brace for it, which I will be destroying at the end of May. If you catch my drift. Have a this little sling I'm gonna add to it. Sling adapter. Yep. Then also we got a hole grip, gray hole grip. Like that. Get a nice little purchase on there. Standard AK trigger. Nothing too simple. They won't know nothing else on this is AK. Standard AK sights. Got the cheese grater. I believe I got the cheese grater from Palmetto State Armory, I believe. And then I got the laminated gray wood, which should complete the look of it. Going for that apocalypse type of vibe to it. And then just your standard AK muzzle brake to it. I don't know if I decide I want to change it or whatnot. I don't know yet. Let me know in the comments. Yep, pretty much. Yep. I will be destroying this at the end of May. I was shooting this with the brace because it is a pistol. I was shooting it like this. And I wasn't shooting it like this. Nah, I was not shooting it like a pistol, a handheld gun. Yep. Oh yeah. Got over 1,000 rounds of this. Had one hiccup, just one hiccup. Yep. I had 6 mags for it. You already seen the metal mag. We still clear. Metal mag. This the mag I just have in there at all times, which you get the visual look of it. I like it. I'm not gonna insert it in because this is loaded. One of the waffle mags that came with it. Mine's came with 2. And when I was watching other reviews, other people had 4. So I wonder what happened to my 2. I got another waffle mag. It is loaded. I will not insert it in. Show y'all just a look of it. Yep. See-through US palm mag. Like that. The look of it. Yep. I like that. Also have another mag. Another see-through mag. Yep, that's clear. So I'm gonna set that in. Show y'all a look at that. Cause it is clear. It's still clear. Cause you can see nothing in there. You can see through. Yep. But yeah, overall, yep, I like this. Probably won't use this in a home defense situation. Too much power, too loud. Man, I wouldn't grab this. This wouldn't be my first option. Probably my third, depending on the situation. But then I wouldn't grab this first. This something like a little range toy / end of the world tool. Yeah. I like standard AKs. I'm not really into the tactical looks of the AKs. If I want a tactical look, I'll just grab an AR for that. I ain't want no electronic device on here. I just want to be able just to grab it and just run without anything failing. And I ain't gonna lie, I do keep this AK pretty clean. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know you could just let it go dirty, you know what I'm saying, for years and whatnot, but me, I keep it clean, you know what I'm saying? treat this, it still is one of my babies. So, what I'm saying? I still want to shine her up a little bit. But I still would, I would still, what I'm saying, mistreat this. Because it is an AK. Yep. Pretty much, yep. Just got the logo right there. I just like the look of this, the vibe. Yep. Alright, that completes my little review and whatnot. Stay tuned, what I'm saying? I got more reviews coming soon. Just don't want to show y'all everything too soon. Just show y'all something I enjoy shooting the most. And I enjoy shooting this the most. It's just that AK get that. No, it's just like the doom. If you shoot like a pistol, you know it go back like that. I don't show you this or nothing. You know what I'm saying? I shoot this like a pistol. Yep. Yeah, stay tuned.
You want some of that?